Alright guys, welcome back. Today is day 9 from 0 to Limitless. We're going to start off returning some more bottles and cans. Then we got some good news, some bad news, and more good news. So stay tuned. So after returning the bottles and cans, we made $4.70. And then if I add that to the 94 cents that was already in the pouch, that's going to leave us with $5.64. Now the day's not over. From here we have to shoot over to the bank and retrieve our second payout. So I'll get back to you after I grab that from the bank. All right, so we just left the bank and retrieved our payout from the second sale, which totaled out to be $20.33. Now if we take that and add it to the other $5.64 we got, that's going to leave us with $5.97. Now we're going to take this money, head back to the Goodwill, see if we can find anything else to buy and add to our store, and flip for some more profit. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so after stopping at the Goodwill, we spent about $19, which leaves us with $6.86. We were able to pick up 3 goodie bags. So we got one that's got some little knockoff Legos, still sealed. I grabbed this one right here because I saw the Ninja Turtle in the front. Probably get almost $10 for that guy. And then we got this one over here too. It's got this cool eagle figure in it, a Gonzo. Probably get $3 or $4 just for that guy. But yeah, pretty good find for $19. We got a ton more product to add to the store. Oh yeah, I did say we had some good news, some bad news, some more good news. So the good news was what was it? The good news was we got our first payout, or our second payout. The bad news was we ended up breaking the Viewmaster, not once but twice. First time it fell down, broke off the handle. Second time it fell down, it broke off the whole big bird face. So now we're -1 product in our store. I've just been storing the things in a cardboard box, so probably after the next sale we'll go pick up a nice tote. That way we don't have to worry about products falling out of the box. That's the bad news. And the other good news is we got our third sale. We actually sold the soccer jersey for, I think it was 30 bucks. I'll post that on the screen in a second. I'm excited, man. I'm ready to break these bags open and get all this stuff. All right, guys, so got the bags all opened up. This is what we ended up scoring. We got 3 of these. We got the green, brown, and blue. I didn't check what these do yet. A couple of these. They go for about 10 bucks for the pair. Probably get another 10 bucks for the pair of these. Maybe 5-10 bucks for these guys. Over here, I looked up the turtle. You probably get like 5-10 bucks for him. Got this Fred from 2001. He's got sales for 10 bucks already. Beast Labs. This one goes for about 5 bucks. I looked up this guy. He's got recent sales all the way up to 10. And we got a couple other Sesame Street characters in there from back in the day. This eagle right here, Rescue Heroes, could do about $5 to $7. I didn't look up this store. He's probably another 5 bucks right there. We got a whole bunch of figures, man. This one little hit right here is gonna stock the store up pretty well. Got a little Lego guy down here. He's probably 5 bucks. It's gonna take a little while to get all this stuff posted, but after I do, I'll show you a clip of how much inventory we have now. All right, guys, so I was able to get a few things posted out of them goodie bags. All this stuff right here, which is going to give us the potential to make $98 just off of these couple things right here. Also, we got this whole bag of figures left to post. That'll be done sometime in this week. Also, while I was posting these things, something else happened. Actually, this guy right here, man, sold this guy for like $12, I believe it was. Now, this is day 2 of filming. I was able to go back to the Goodwill this morning as well. And I gotta let you know, we're now down to $2.62. Went back to the Goodwill and I was able to find this goodie bag right here for $4, which contained a TI-83 calculator. This thing right here alone will get us another 30, 40, 50 bucks. It looks like it's in great condition. Got a little puzzle game on the back, $1.02, nothing big, but this is a really good find right here. So got to get this posted real quick. Get this guy boxed up and shipped out. So the store is moving along pretty quickly, man. Like I told you guys before in all the other videos, if you see any of these things that you like and wish to purchase, they are available at From Zero to Limitless on eBay. The name of the store is From the number 0, the number 2, Limitless. From Zero to Limitless. Alright guys, got a lot of work ahead of me, so I'm going to cut this one out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Alright, the jersey's boxed up. Alright guys, got the Venom packaged up, ready to ship out, and we got the calculator posted as well. Posted it for 35, so we'll see if we get a hit. Once again, thanks for watching. There'll be another video in the next couple days to come. Thank you, man.